Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through step-by-step process on how to use a blue light card in Cineworld. The blue light card offers exclusive discounts to NHS, emergency services, social care workers, and armed forces members. You can use blue light card at Cineworld to get discounted cinema tickets. Just log into the blue light card website or app and find the Cineworld offer. You can buy discounted e-codes, which you'll use to book tickets online or at the cinema. When booking online, enter the e-code at checkout, or if you're buying tickets in person, show the e-code at the counter. The discount applies to standard 2D tickets, but extras like 3D, IMAX, or VIP seats may cost more. Food and drinks aren't usually included in the offer. Cineworld updates its deals, so check the blue light card platform for the latest discounts. Make sure to buy your e-code before heading to the cinema. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.